Okay, this video is going to be very fast because there are only two concepts I'm going to talk about. If you see more than or less than, okay, there's certain concepts that that you should be reminded of. And if you see questions like number pattern, you should have certain things that actually go through your head. Okay, so now, first, for more than, less than, whenever you see more than something, like one number is more than something, it means addition. Okay, so this should remind you of the idea of addition. Okay, addition. Where less than, okay, should remind you of the idea of subtraction. Okay, so 2447 more than this is actually the same as having this, okay, right? 2447 more than this. Okay, so this plus 2447 is do my working here. Is 5547. Okay, so 2447 is like 2447 apples more than 3100 apples is what? Okay, or another way to make it simpler to understand is that you can actually substitute the numbers. Means like you change the numbers. Okay, you pretend that this is I don't know 3, because this number is smaller, right? So this should be a smaller number than this. And let's say this is 5. 3 apples more than 5 apples. Okay, how many apples is it? Okay, 3 more than 5 is actually simply 5 plus 3 to give you 8. Okay, so that's a simple way of remembering if, let's say, you do forget what does more than mean. Okay, and for less than, okay, for less than 2447 less than this. Okay, so we take the same concept of the substitution. Let's say we have 3 apples less than 5 apples. What is it? Okay, so at first I have 5 apples. I have to minus 3, right? 3 apples less than 5 apples. So at first I have 5 apples and now I have 3 apples less than this. Okay, so I'm taking this minus this. Okay, so don't be confused. So what I can do, okay, is actually 3100 minus 2447. Okay, so that should give me an answer of, okay, I have not enough space. Let me clear some, let me make some space. Okay, maybe I'll do it here. 3100 minus 2477 should get me this should get me 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 minus 4 I will borrow from here. This should give me 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 2 minus 2 is... Okay, so you get 623. Okay? So just let me quickly check if that's right. I have this, this 8, 9, 2, 5, 3, 1. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, so how do I check? Okay, just now what I was doing is actually adding 623 plus 2477. Okay, and that indeed gives me 3100. I was just doing mental sums just to check my answer. Okay, so 3100 minus 2447 gives you 623. Okay, lastly, complete the number pattern. Okay, whenever you see a number pattern, it is important to try to find out what is the number, okay, that you add or subtract to give you this. Okay, so for this is obviously you're adding a number, right? So all I have to do is to calculate. Okay, and don't take it for granted that this jump will be the same as this jump will be the same as this jump. You have to calculate the jumps that they give you, okay, to kind of confirm the pattern. Alright, so let me quickly erase this. So what do? I have to find out the jump here. So obviously this is bigger than this, so I take this minus this. So 5,000 minus 3,500 gives me 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, so gives me plus 1,500. So now, okay, I have to confirm what is the value of, what is the jump here, okay? I actually take the bigger number, 6,500 minus 5,000, which should give me another 1,500, okay? So based on this, our best guess is that you add 1,500 each jump. So from here, I know I have to add 1,500, and I add it to this. Seven, 8, and I'll find that I have 8,000 here. And lastly, after I find my answer, I don't just end here, because I need to confirm my answer. And how do I do that? Okay, I actually try to find out what is the jump here. So I take 9,500 minus 8,000, which should give me 1,500. And from here, I know that this is correct. And that is how I do and how I complete these two questions.